Good morning, children. Today, again we are going to continue our lesson, the French Revolution. The topics what we will study today is the Jacobin Club, role of philosophers, role of women and their demands, voting rights, and arrival of Napoleon. The Jacobin Club was made by the third estate, and third estate, as you know, that the common people, service holders, lawyers, and businessmen, and their population was nearly 90%. And they have formed a club group was known as Jacobin Club. This Jacobin club further has developed a nationalism in French, and they had called it a nation. First, what is nation? Nation means having a territory, means area, government, having a population and their own rules. If any place has these four things, it will be known as nation. So they have thought for the nation, building a nation in France, and they had succeeded after making their own constitution. The Jacobin Club, Robespierre was the leader of Jacobin Club, and when France had gained democracy, he had become the president of France. Philosophers, earlier we have studied about them. Philosophers, they have given their ideas how France will get democracy from the monarchy. And we have mentioned earlier that many philosophers, nearly all the philosophers were from the noble class or clergy. They have to not pay the taxes, you know that, but all of them had favored the third estate. In this way, the philosopher has played an important role in bringing democracy in France. Women's role of women. Women has also played equal role in France to bring democracy. When the male parts were fighting with the king's army, these women were supporting morally and by doing work for livelihood to support the family. In this way, their role, we cannot make it null and void. But they had not any voting rights in France. Voting right was only for the people, one who had achieved the age of 25 years and were able to pay 3 days taxes out of 30 days, 1 month. Out of 30 days, if anyone was paying 3 days taxes, that person has got the voting rights and he had some property in the country. Here, women has not got any voting rights because in France that time, women had not any property and they had not voting rights. They have not got the right of voting by the authority, order of authority. Next, after that, women has started to demand many things such as equality in the society, voting rights and job in the government system. After that, Napoleon had arrived in France in 1804, and you will find that Napoleon was a person of tough, means rigid quality. Means perhaps you have studied a slogan that Napoleon has announced that the word no is not in my dictionary. Means he was telling that nothing is impossible. Perhaps you have studied the story of Napoleon. He had joined French army only as a sipahi. In Indian word we are calling sipahi. He was only a sipahi, but he had within 10 years he had become the ruler of France, and he had he had brought many changes in French society, such as uh, weight and measure, taxation. Earlier, taxes were on every 11 points, 5% taxes on 11 points. It means if anyone was buying anything, all the 11 checkpoints they have to pay 5%. But he had bought uniform taxation system. But at last he had lost the war in Waterloo in 1815. Waterloo is known as the graveyard of Napoleon. An interesting story related to it is that he was from Waterloo. Waterloo is a small town in France, and he was studying in the school. He was a very good football player, but he had not won any match in his field, school field, and at last time war has concentrated there, and he had thought that if I had not won any match in this field, how I can win the war. Here he had morally not supported himself, and result was he has lost the war. This is the end of French Revolution, and next we will start our next chapter.